So again I am repeating that question number 6, that is question number 6. Total population of that village, that is 4,000. Each of them needs 150 liter. Each of them needs 150 liter in a day. So for one people 150 liter. So total water consumption in a day, that is 4,000 into 150 liter. Okay. Now that water tank which is in their village, that water length of that water tank 20 meter, breadth of the water tank 15 meter, and height of that water tank 6 meter. That water tank. Now what is the volume of water tank? That length, breadth and height, they are different. So it is a cuboidal form. Cuboidal form means volume equal to L into B into H, that is 1800 meter cube. Now we need to change the meter cube into liter, because that consumption of water is given in the liter. Consumption, you can change it also, that liter into meter cube. Now meter cube, yes, 1800 meter cube into 1000 liter. So total liter, okay, 1000 liter. Now students, one day, just I am telling another sums. In a part, there is in a family there is three members, okay, and each of them 2 liter water is needed for drinking each day, per day, and a water tank is there is 30 liter capacity. So if that water tank is full, so how many days it lasts for the 3 members? Tell me the answer quickly. Tell me the answer quickly. Abhinandan, okay, very good. Amrita, okay, very good. Because each day total consumption 6 liter, 30 liter is there, 30 by 6 equal to 5 days. Got it? Got the concept? Got that concept? Okay, you. Okay, it is clear. Next, okay. Now, how many days it lasts for? Total amount of water this, and each day this. So it lasts for I think there is some mistake, otherwise 4,000 into 150 liter. Okay. Three days. 3 days is the answer. Got it, everyone? 3 days is the answer. That water lasts for 3 days. Have you any problem regarding this question? Tell me quickly. Have you any problem regarding that question? Then tell me quickly. It is clear to all of you? Yes, okay. Now moving on question number 7. Moving on question number 7, okay? Question number 7. A godown measure 40 meter, 20 meter, 25 meter and 15 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each of measuring that can be stored. Very easy question. First of all, it's a very easy question, just like that one. Okay, from the statement, the godown. So what is the length of the godown? Length of the godown, that is 40 meter. Length of the go down, that is 40 meter. Breadth 25 meter. Breadth of the go down, that is 25 meter, and height 15 meter. Now, so what can you say? What is the shape of that go down? Tell me quickly in the chat box. What is the shape of that go down? Which geometrical shapes? Cuboid. Very good. Because length, breadth and height, three are different, so it is a cuboid. So what is the volume of that? What is the volume of that cuboid? What is the volume of that cuboid? That is L into B into H. So 40 into 25 into 15. So it will be it is okay. Yes, it is okay. Now, okay. Now that wooden crates, length of the wooden crates are, first of all, 1.5 meter length, 1.25 meter breadth and 0.5 meter height. Okay, so volume of wooden crate equal to the length is 1.5 meter, breadth is 1.25 and breadth. So 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5 meter cube. Now multiply it quickly. 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. Multiply it quickly. What will be the volume of? What will be the volume of? Yes, it is 0.9375. Okay. Now the volume of one wooden crate, that is 0.9375 meter cube. Now one thing, students, I am taking that n number of wooden crate we can put there. N number, how many? Not 10, not 5, we don't know the number. So I am taking that n number of wooden crate we can put there. So the volume of that n number of wooden crate is equal to the volume of go down. It is okay, yes or no? If you got that point, then write it down. Yes, I am taking n number of wooden crate, then n into volume of one wooden crate equal to the volume of the wooden crate, volume of the go down. So according to the question, first of all, let n number of wooden crate will be there. Okay, will be there. Therefore, according to the question, n into 0.9375 equal to 1500. It is okay. Yes, it is right. Therefore, n equal to 15000 by 0.9375 into, if we remove that 1000, 10,000. Okay, calculate it quickly. Calculate it quickly. That is 16,000. Yes, 16,000. The answer will be 16,000. Okay, 16,000 wooden crate we can store there. Okay, That is question number 6. Question number 7, and student, we have already at the end of cross our time. Okay. Now, tell me if you have any problem regarding this question. If you have any problem, tell me quickly. Abhinandan, Amrita, Rajonna, Ronit. Any problem? Any of you have any problem? Okay. Orpon also. Sir, if I don't multiply and divide two dimension, then no need to multiply. It will be clever work if you not multiply. If you not multiply, it will be better. That 1.5, 1.25 and 0.5. It will be better if you not multiply it. Okay? It will be clever work, because after multiplying, then again you have to divide this position. Okay, that's why it will be better if you not multiply that 1.5, 1.25 and 0.5. Okay, got it? Okay, so students, today I end this class here. I hope you got that my point, and if you have any doubt further, then you can ask me in ePortal, and I hope you have enjoyed this session little bit. Thank you students very much.